Transform customer conversations by integrating Twilio's A2p SMS with your Tawk.to live chat in just a few minutes. First, log in to your Tawk.to dashboard. Navigate to the administration section, usually found in the left-hand sidebar and indicated by a gear icon within the administration menu. Locate and click on the Apps or Integrations option. This is where you'll find various tools to enhance your Tawk.to experience. On the Apps page, scroll down or use the search bar to find the Twilio integration. Click on the Connect or Setup button associated with Twilio. Now, switch over to your Twilio console if you haven't already. You'll need to ensure you have an A2p compliant Twilio phone number. Navigate to your Twilio account's API credentials. You'll need to locate your account SID and your auth token. Keep these readily accessible, as you'll need to input them into Tawk.to. Back in your Tawk.to dashboard, in the Twilio integration setup screen, you'll see fields for your Twilio account SID and auth token. Carefully copy and paste your unique credentials from Twilio into these respective fields. Next, you'll need to enter your Twilio A2p compliant phone number, the one you want to use for sending SMS messages. Once all the information is accurately entered, look for a Save, Connect, or Update button at the bottom of the Tawk.to integration settings. Click this button to finalize the connection between your Twilio number and Tawk.to. You should now see a confirmation that your Twilio number has been successfully linked. You can now initiate SMS conversations directly from your Tawk.to dashboard, providing instant support and timely notifications to your customers, all from one centralized platform.